something I realized about my vlogs as well. I was watching one of my old ones because it popped up on my For You page. Wow, has TikTok infiltrated me? Maybe. Hashtag call the FBI. My recommended page, there you go, on YouTube is, so I just watched it. I was like, shits and gigs, why not? I put in my watch later and then I pressed shuffle and I watched it. And I realized I talked a lot more instead of just showing. Like, I summarized more. Do you want me to still be doing that? Because I think now I just like hoy in clips randomly without explaining. And I know there's someone who's going to say, yeah, you don't explain enough. But like in general, do you just want more of the clips or do you want more of the explanation? Let me know. And then also while you're letting me know, let me know for like proper filmed videos. Do you want longer videos, like 20-minute videos or like 10-minute videos? Thanks. So we have a really like uncommon car where we stay, and in front of us is exactly the same car, down to everything, down to we have a Dodge Nitro R4?
RT 4x4.
RT 4x4. And that car is exactly the same. I'm not going to show you because I can't blow out the license plate, but exactly the same, like down to the T. It's crazy. Crazy.
Financial hub of the country. That's great news.
That is incredible. I think that trend's been happening for a couple of years, but it's nice to see it recognized, and we've even got a stock exchange now. We've still got some way to go.
Oh, alweer weggekeken.
Kijk hoor, dat is niet gezond.
Nee, dat is...
Niet gezond. Niet gezond.
Ja, dat is lekker.
Shamayu.
Oh, that's enough.
He's like, he looks like he's doing something wrong. Like he's
No, he
naughty.
does.
Yeah, looks bicycle.
No, he's just staring.
Quickly because I shit on him a lot.
Yeah, you're so horrible.
He's just staring. That's his, I'm zoned out,
No,
I'm
he's
gonna
probably
stare.
going, oh shit, I'm gonna have to go home and have another shower now because I was so clean and now.
No, he's sniffing the ground. He's just chilling, looking at Nubis to see if anything's happening.
Is it like a
Oh man.
Yeah, guy's swiping.
Android
Oh my gosh,
apps
he's
on
swiping.
the
He knows already.
Of the video dan heel tyd restart net.
Little kids playing with my watch.
Polymer in 'n bar koop en jy koop nie
What's the VG?
No phone.
What's that?
Here you go.
It's a 40% VG.
My phone pas na die TV toe.
The last thing in the ingredients.
So ek gaan nou
I'm actually not even
kyk of
sure.
ek goed kan doen.
Press on one.
Nou gaan my bier hier begin staan.
This dog doesn't own a head anymore. It's just a body. Oh, nightmare. Teehee.
Hi.
Hoi. Hoi. That's really dull.
Eskom implements stage 3 load shedding this week and it
Nice.
Wait, I think I got it.
You're so stupid.
I'm a crocodile.
You're so stupid.
Harder than I expected.
it, mate. In it. In it, mate.
I'm 12 years old now. I'm fucking pregnant as fuck.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you taking a mint?
What?
Are you taking a mint? Girly pops.
That was a dog.
That was a dog. There's another dog down there. And we all know this place is expensive. This is nice. It's also on camera. Hold on, my wing is wrong. There you go. There was a little kid who just walked past as I did that, so I stopped doing it. But I'm Superman. I got rid of a cockroach without killing it. Be proud of me. I swiped it down from that door up there, then landed on the chair, then I had to take the chair outside, let it run off, and then I put the chair back inside. I'm smart. I'm smart. Ow, I just hit my shin. Lying like this in a car is elite, and you can't tell me otherwise. It's the best way to lie down in a car. Yeah, which is up.
Is it lekker? Go.
I can't tell if this is impressive or not. My feet are against my closet at the back. I can't tell whether it's impressive because my feet are here. Hold on. They're my feet. So I'm back bending, but I have the closet to support me, so it's not that big of the deal, I think. It's time to sort out my makeup box. I might make this a video, might not. We'll see what happens. Tinky. Otherwise, it's just gonna go to video of the day. If it is, it doesn't become a video. It, in fact, did not become a video. I'm sorry, firstly, for ghosting you for like a week. That was not intentional. It just happened. I fully had the intention of filming a video this week. I tried, and then it just didn't happen. That video was really boring, so it did become video of the day today. Also, it would have been too late for that of a next week's video. I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I genuinely am. I'm trying my hardest, but my advanced one exam is in 3 weeks, and I'm stressing and I'm busy. This week was supposed to be my holiday week, but I've been in class every single day because they scheduled holiday classes. So I also need to maintain a social life. That's why I was with a bunch of people. That was over the span of 2 weeks, and I was on holiday, so I still had classes, but I had less classes. But I still did do a lot of work, so I'm sorry for not uploading videos. I'm going to try my hardest. I promise. I'm sorry to all the membership people who I haven't upholded my promise to. I'm trying my hardest, and yeah, it's me, Aaron, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like if you did, subscribe because I'm a YouTuber and I have to ask, turn on notifications even though they don't work. Love you so much. Stay safe.